Well, for a good reason, because today we are kicking off Diversity Month with our UnitedERG, and we're going to hear from Sampath as well on some consumer updates. Sampath just had his consumer all hands, so I know he's got lots of great news to share with us. But like I said, we're going to hear from Brian Adamek, who is the global lead of United. And we're also going to hear from Sampath, who's the executive sponsor. So why don't we welcome them to the stage?
Oh, look at the matching jackets there. I like that.
Where's my jacket? I didn't get the memo on the jacket.
Oh, the t-shirt.
We got the shirt.
I got the shirt. Okay, we're matching. All right. Well, thank you both for joining.
Thank you for having us.
Yes, it's great to be able to kick off Diversity Month. I know that this is an exciting time, and Sampath, you are the executive sponsor. So I'm going to start with you on what Diversity Month looks like here at Verizon.
Look, I think this is the month of diversity, and the UnitedERG is around bringing people with different approaches. They're diverse religions, diverse geography, diverse orientation, diverse abilities. We all are very different human beings. You know, we come from different places, we have different influences in our life, some more prominent than the other, and you can see that. And we, at United, we bring those all together to celebrate, and in the spirit of bringing it together for each other, allying with each other, making all of us better at the same time. We have to acknowledge the diversity, we have to acknowledge that we bring new things to the workplace, and in the end of the day, the business always improves. So that's what it is. We're going to celebrate this month. We have a huge programming list lined up for that. But again, there's power in diversity, there's power in what we do.
Absolutely, and we are going to get into the events a little later. But before we do that, Brian, let's talk about the theme. It's United with Purpose. Tell us more about how you got to that theme.
Yeah, and I can't take credit for it. I got to give Sampath some of the credit, our sponsor here. It was during the Q1 kickoff where you were rallying the troops and talking about being united by purpose and achieving our goals with the groups coming together to hit net positive, right? Revenue and customer experience. And United aims to do just that. That's our mission as well, is uniting people together, creating a space so people can be their true authentic self and support their communities, as well as support their fellow V-teamers to make Verizon to continue to be the greatest place to be.
Yeah, I'm seeing a common theme of supporting and being connected. We've got some ERG members here in the audience, some United members.
Yes.
Talk about support. Anyone in the audience, we love to do this. We love to hear from all of you. Anyone here want to talk on their experience of being in United? Maybe a little bit about being an ally, being able to connect with, being in your ERGs. Anyone? Okay. Come on to the stage. Yes, we'll welcome.
Yes.
And I'm going to hand you a mic. Excuse me, Brian. Yes, you get a special mic. So why don't you tell us your name, the team that you're on, and then tell us about who at work is your ally.
Yeah. My name is Kerry Burke. I am an associate director in the Partner Success Organization. I have the privilege of having Brian by my side every day, who serves as an ally. Another ally of mine, I would say, is our former VP, Tanya Johnson. So advocate, mentor, but also ally in terms of offering support, protection, challenging us, making us better people. So definitely a huge ally there, supportive in everything, both professionally and personally. So amazing ally.
Absolutely. Thank you. Very important to have an ally at work. So we talked a little bit about the events. You previewed that. I know that you're going to be in an exciting event called Where I Call Home. Tell us more about that.
Yeah, see, it's an interesting question when people ask you, where are you from? And it's a very loaded question in many cases. Where are you from? And my immediate answer is Short Hills, New Jersey. Because literally, that's where I live, and that's where the kids go to school, and that's the easy answer. It's like, no, but where are you really from? And then my whole head starts rotating, I grew up in India, but I came here for work, and then I came here for college, and I'm Indian American. And we all have a story like that. Yeah. So when people ask you where you are from, where is home, it's a very deep-rooted question. So what I'm going to do is on the 15th, between 2 and 3 in LinkedIn, get together with a couple of folks, maybe 3, 4, 5 folks, and talk about this. What does this question mean to him? What does home mean? And home is not just one thing. Home is many things, because everyone thinks home is where the physical part of where you live. But that's not it. It could be where you grew up, the folks you grew up with, or where you are right now. So it's a very deep question. It also brings upon our diversity and where we come from. So we're just going to chat about that and talk about and answer the question, where I call home and where we are from. Right, Brian? That's our plan.
I'm excited. They keep telling me I can't say I'm from New Jersey. I'm still from California. So shout out Pacific if they're still watching.
Yes, it's very layered. I'm like, am I from New Jersey? Am I from Virginia? I've been here for a couple of years now. So
I know, right?
So what's the rule?
What's the threshold?
I don't know. I've been trying to figure it out.
See, that's part of the question,
Yeah.
And you say, yeah, but I'm from Virginia and New Jersey. That's a completely acceptable answer. So I think it also goes back to our roots. And in people's journey, there are different things that are highlighted at different points. Right now I may say I'm in Jersey, but if I talk to someone from India, I may say, no, I'm from Calcutta, India. And they're like, oh, you're from Calcutta. And then there's a whole conversation around that. So how do we have these conversations and what it means, and just have an open conversation around that?
Yeah, that's going to be an exciting event. I'm definitely tuning in. Maybe I'll get the answer on where I'm actually from.
Virginia.
Okay. All right. Well, Brian, I know there's a lot more in store. What else do we have to look forward to?
So we have a lot of events that we're partnering with our other ERGs on this month that we're very excited about. But this one coming up, going to be a great conversation. We talked about this a lot over the last quarter. Just that question, not only professionally, right, in how you're upbringing and where you call home, but also with your kids, right? We talked about us both being parents and talking to our children and things like that. So it's going to be a great conversation there. Then we also have our marquee event on the 16th. That's going to be with myself, Ken, Shiv, and Tracy there, talking about diversity and how it plays such a significant role in what makes us successful here at Verizon. And so that'll be here in Basking Ridge. So I hope to see all of you here. It's going to be a great event. So looking forward to that, as well as a number of volunteering events, which I know you're going to talk a little bit about volunteering this month as we celebrate that as well. So.
Yep, you speak of volunteering. It's also Global Volunteer Month, so team, get out there, do an hour. It's all towards Citizen Verizon. We're moving the world forward. There's something for everyone, so make sure you click the link in today's story. We've got all of the things that you can get involved in there. Brian, thank you so much. Sampath, I know you're staying on to talk some consumer news, but Brian, appreciate you coming on to tell us more about Diversity Month.
Thank you for having me. Appreciate you guys.
I'm excited because I heard that you have an exciting deal for employees. I want to start there.
Yeah, we have a deal, so let me see if this works. So we have these things.
Yes.
It's called the AirPod Max. And for the first time ever, we have a 25% employee discount on these things.
That's pretty good.
They're pretty cool. Yeah, and they never sell on discount. This is an exclusive just for Verizon. Ooh, Apple's come. They said, hey, we'll do this just for Verizon employees. So you go in, it's in the accessories, you go with your employee discount, it'll show up. I don't think we have unlimited of them, but enough of them. They're very cool. For the first time, my kids this morning said, wow, that's something I could borrow. Because almost nothing I have they want to borrow I have anything to do with. But this was something that was cool. I heard baby blue is the hot color.
Okay.
They have a baby pink as well, but baby blue is the hot color. So there you are. So just for Verizon employees, so go log on and you can get it if you want.
We should all be feeling very special. I really like the blue. I heard that there's also a pop-up in the back if you haven't seen that. So make sure you check it out. You can see the different colors, get a feel for it like Sampath did. And then, of course, we'll link that online as well so that you can get easy access, because got to get on that. Yeah. There's a lot more people whose kids are probably like, I could borrow that.
Yeah, it's a whole Easter thing. The Easter Bunny got me this. So.
Yeah. All right, what else is top of mind, Sampath?
Yeah, so, there's another interesting milestone that we're going to celebrate.
Okay.
Verizon Credit Card. Let me talk about this. Verizon Credit Card is awesome because you get a 2% reward on everything you spend with Verizon, and you can put it back into Verizon dollars that you can use. It's a couple of $100s per year for people. And for Verizon, when a customer has Verizon Credit Card, the churn is so low. Like they always stay with us. So it's good. There you go. 4% on rewards on everyday purchases, $480 in value. It's incredible value. It's one of the best credit cards out there in the market. And guess what? We have a million mark. We've hit the million mark.
That's amazing. That's awesome.
I would recommend all of you go check it out. It's a good credit card. It pays off your Verizon bill, a portion of your Verizon bill, and you can use it for other things that you buy. Again, a million. look, the next time I'm going to be back, I want to see the 5 million mark because it's good for customers, it's good for Verizon. It's an amazing mix. So I'm super proud of the team. It was a new concept that we worked together on, a new value prop. So kudos to the whole team. People can get it at the store. They can get it online, of course, to the employee portals as well. So let's go hard. And again, the Verizon credit card, I'm here to push for that.
Yeah, we need to be asking people, are you using your Verizon Visa today? Make sure you're using it.
Yeah. What's in your wallet? It's a Verizon card. Yeah.
What's in your wallet? I love it. All right, well, Sampath, I appreciate all of these updates. Anything else, or did you cover everything you needed to?
Look, the consumer group, just quick update from there. We are having really strong momentum in our business right now. All the actions we've put in place last year, early this year, are paying off there. We have good action. On the phone side, we are growing quite well. On the broadband side, both fixed wireless and Fios, we're seeing good traction. The value business has started an amazing turnaround process. It's going to take a couple more quarters till we get back to what we want, but you can see that. Last is customer experience. We are investing so much money, time, energy on getting our customer experience right. So the team's on fire. We are laser focused. Look, it's going to be a great second quarter. We just got started, but we got a lot of quarter left in it.
All right, I'm looking forward to it.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Sampath. Okay, before we go, I do want to say something exciting is happening on April 8th. Does anyone know what's happening? Yes, the Eclipse, and it's not happening again until 2044. So make sure that you get your photos. You definitely want to make sure that you cherish these moments. And we've got a couple of clips and tips for you. We've got our very own Chris Sirico with some tips. Let's play that right now.
Hey V-Team, it's Chris, and I am so psyched for the solar eclipse. And you know who else is ready for it? Verizon. The tripled network spectrum is one of the reasons why we are more prepared than ever for large groups to gather and enjoy this celestial event of the year. Now you might be saying, how do I take a picture of this and actually have it come out like beautifully? I'm glad you asked that. First of all, you want to have the latest and greatest smartphone. The high resolution will actually make sure that that photo is crisp and clear. Second of all, you're going to want a lens cover like this one, just so you can actually possibly capture sunspots as you're capturing the eclipse. Third, burst mode. If you hold your thumb down in burst mode, you'll have a bunch of really great photos from which to choose instead of just trying to nail it once at a time with your thumb. It's very difficult to do. Last but not least, these are the OG cameras. You want to protect those too. So even though it's not your smartphone, make sure your CE or ISO certified glasses are the only ones you have while you're staring in the general vicinity of the sun. Maybe don't look right at the sun. Back to you.
All right, thank you, Chris. Love that. All those tips will be linked in today's story. And we have a lot more with a great article on how to capture the best photo that will last for years. All right, and make sure you also tag us at Inside Verizon and send us your photos at Good@Verizon. We're gonna be covering all of your photos in the following Tuesday for Up to Speed, so we definitely wanna see that. Thank you all for joining. Thank you to everyone here in the room. We'll see you next week. Until next time, you're Up to Speed.